Barattoota maatii chaanaalii Geological 17 tiyuub hunda keessaniif nagaan waaqayyoo isiniif haa ta'u. Jecha sagantaa qayyabannaa barnoota ji'oogiraafii toora yuutuubiitiin eegalle ammas barnoota dareetti baranne keessaa gaaffii qormaataaf isin qopheessu calalee qopheessuutiin qayyabannaa keessan utubuuf tamsaasa koo eegaleera. Isinis tamsaasni koo kallattiidhaan akka isin bira ga'uuf sabiskiraayib gochuun hiriyoota keessaniifis sheer akkasumas laayik gochuu hin dagatinaan affeerraa kooti. ለgeological 17 ቲዩብ ቻናል ቤተሰቦች በሙሉ ባላችሁበት የእግዚአብሔር ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ እያልኩ የጂኦግራፊ ትምህርት ጥናታችሁን ያግዝ ዘንድ በዩቲዩብ ቻናል የጀመርኩትን ትምህርታዊ ስርጭት እየቀጠልኩ መሆኑን እያሳወቅኳችሁ ስርጭቱ በቀጥታ ይደርሳችሁ ዘንድ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትዘናጉ ስል በትህትና ጠይቃችኋለሁ። ወደ ዕለቱ ትምህርት እንሄዳለን። At Geological 17 tube for grade 9 geography lesson 2. Question number 11 says that which of the following era is known for the predominance of reptiles? A. Paleozoic era, B. Cenozoic era, C. Mesozoic era, D. Precambrian era. In a class, students, remember what we have said. There are 4 major eras of the Earth's history. From this, the first, largest and the oldest one that covers about 80% of the Earth's history is known as Precambrian era. During the Precambrian era, the events like orogenic process, which means the process of mountain formation, and crystalline basement complex rock formation, as well as some denudational activities, volcanic eruption were the major events with the first life forms like that of amoeba and the jellyfishes. Okay, during the Paleozoic era, there is no significant structural formations regarding to the rocks. During this, invertebrates were predominant the era. The Inselberg was also formed during this due to the continuous denudational activities we have said. Denudation and peneplanation were another events of Paleozoic era. Mesozoic era has 3 consecutive periods: the Triassic period, the Jurassic period, and the Cretaceous period. So, during the Mesozoic era, reptiles were predominant. As a result, the answer for question number 11 is C, Mesozoic era. Number 12. Land mass began to rise and the sea started to regress towards the southeast in A. Tertiary period, B. Cretaceous period, C. Quaternary period, D. Jurassic period, it says. Tertiary period, Cretaceous period was the third period of Mesozoic era that predominate or bounded between the year of 1135 up to 17 million years. Okay, so during the Cretaceous period, the land mass began to rise and the sea started to regress towards the southeast. As a result, our answer is B, Cretaceous period. Question number 30. Question number 30 says that the oldest sedimentary rock known as Adigras sandstone was formed A. Triassic period, B. Jurassic period, C. Cretaceous period, D. Tertiary period. The 3 consecutive periods of Mesozoic are Triassic period, Jurassic period, and the Cretaceous period. So, student, Distractor D is not unexpected to be the answer for this question. Triassic period is the period found between 250 million up to 180 million years in Mesozoic era. During this one, the first sedimentary rock known as Adigra sandstone was formed. The answer is A. Question number 40. Question number 40 says that which of the following era was known for the predominance of invertebrates? Shall I give you a little minutes? Okay, try it. What will be the answer? A. Precambrian era. B. Mesozoic era. C. Cenozoic era. D. Paleozoic era. Good. Student, if you have got the answer, you are excellent. The answer for this question that asks about the predominance of invertebrate is during the Paleozoic era. During the Paleozoic era, the invertebrates were predominant on the surface of the earth. So our answer is D. Question number 15. The outcrops of old crystalline basement complex rocks are found on the surface of the earth in all of the following areas except A. In central and northern Tigray, B. In Metakkal, Asosa, Ilobabor, and the Abai Gorge, C. In central Sidama, southern Omo, southern Bale, and the Borana, D. In central, western, and the northern Shah. Shall I give you a minute? Good, try it. Excellent. I hope your answer is D. The exact answer of this question is D. It says sure. No. So the answer is D. Question number 17. Question number 17 says 16, says that the only era that left a gap in a rock formation in Ethiopia is A. Paleozoic era, B. Precambrian era, C. Mesozoic era, D. Cenozoic era. Students, remember what I have said earlier. The era which is known with no significant structural formation of rocks from the four eras is the Paleozoic era. So the answer is A. A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 17. Which of the following is the correct sequence of eras in descending order? Bear in your mind. Which of the following is the correct sequence of eras in descending order? What does mean descending, students? The underlined word descending. Descending is the antonymy of ascending. So descending means decreases from large to small, which try to say. Okay, so while we are asking such like questions, what we have to understand is that we are asked about the order, the sequence from older to younger, from larger to smaller, from bigger to smaller. So you have learned it in a class. I have said while I teach you, in order to study about the sequence of four eras, I have said that Please pay my child. The first P stands for Precambrian, please. The second P, pay, stands for Paleozoic era. The third, from my, M stands for Mesozoic. Child, from child, C stands for Cenozoic era. So, the answer is A, Paleozoic era, Precambrian era, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era. B, Precambrian era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era. C, Cenozoic era, Mesozoic era, Paleozoic era, Precambrian era. D, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era, Precambrian era, Paleozoic era. So, please pay my child. This sequence is matched with the distractor B. B is the correct answer. The correct answer. Okay. Question number 18. Each geological era is identified from the others based on grounds of the following three characteristics, except A, the relative positions of the continents, B, the character of the prevailing climate, C, the predominant life forms, D, the length of coastlines between continents. So, each geological eras are identified from each other based on the relative position of the continents, the character of the prevailing climate, the predominant life forms, but D is not. So the answer for this question is D. Question number 19. Of the following, which event is not recorded in Paleozoic era? Of the following, which event is not recorded in Paleozoic era? A, significant structural formation of rocks. B, the prevalence of inselbergs. C, predominance of invertebrates. D, denudation and peneplanation. So, try for a second in order to answer this question, students. Good. I hope you have got the answer. Your answer is A. Significant structural formation of rocks is not recorded in Paleozoic era. So, Paleozoic era is regarding to this situation, it is a gap era. A gap era. While the inselbergs, the invertebrates, and the denudation and peneplanation were the major dominant events of Paleozoic era. Good. Question number 20. Question number 20 says that which of the following sequence indicates the correct order of sedimentary rocks, youngest to oldest? Which of the following sequence indicates the correct order of sedimentary rocks, youngest to oldest? A. Adigrat, Hintalo, Upper Sandstone. B. Upper Sandstone, Hintalo, Adigrat Sandstone. C. Hintalo, Upper Sandstone, Adigrat Sandstone. D. Adigrat Sandstone, Upper Sandstone, Hintalo Limestone. Do you remember, students? While you were learning this portion, what I have said is that in order to understand this sequence, you have to know three alphabets. For example, youngest to Oldest, youngest to oldest, ውሃ youngest to oldest, ውሃ upper sandstone, intalo limestone, Addigrat sandstone. Oldest to youngest, አሁ Addigrat sandstone, intalo limestone, upper sandstone. We have said. So, the answer for this question is B. Upper sandstone, intalo limestone, and the Addigrat sandstone are the correct sequence of sandstones or sedimentary rocks, youngest to oldest. Excellent. Let's proceed to question number 21. Question number 21 says that the sedimentary rocks have been exposed at the surface in some areas of Ethiopia due to A. Continuous denudational activities, B. Continuous peneplanation activities, C. Volcanic activities, D. Evolutionary process of living things. Okay, the continuous or due to the continuous denudational activities, sedimentary rocks have been exposed on the surface of the earth in Ethiopia. As a result, the answer for this question is A. Good. Question number 22. In which of the following era was the present East African Rift Valley was formed? I repeat once. In which of the following era was the present East African Rift Valley was formed? A. Precambrian era, B. Cenozoic era, C. Mesozoic era, D. Paleozoic era. Good. The present East African Rift Valley was formed during Cenozoic era. Cenozoic era is the recent era. The recent era. Okay? Question number 23. Question number 23 says that during which of the following era was the extensive basaltic lava known as the Ethiopian lava series takes place? A. During the tertiary period of Cenozoic era. B. During the Triassic period of Mesozoic era. C. During the Quaternary period of Cenozoic era. D. During the Jurassic period of Mesozoic era. Okay. During the tertiary period of Cenozoic era, the Ethiopian lava series takes place. So the answer is A. Good. Question number 24. Question number 24 says that which of the following sequence shows the correct order of Mesozoic periods, oldest to youngest? Oldest to youngest. Which of the following sequence shows the correct order of Mesozoic periods, oldest to youngest? A. Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. B. Cretaceous, Triassic, Jurassic. C. Jurassic, Cretaceous, Triassic. D. Cretaceous, Jurassic, Triassic. Good. For these sequences, Triassic period is 250 up to 180. So Triassic is not the recent or the youngest. Cretaceous period, the second. This Cretaceous was started from 135 up to 70 we have said. Again, the sequence is not. Sorry. Cretaceous is 70, 135 up to 70. Yeah, it is. But Triassic period is not the second one. It is about 250 up to 180. Whereas Jurassic period is not. Again, it is about 180 to 135. So it is not answer. Okay, Jurassic period 180 up to 135 million years. Cretaceous 135 up to 17. Triassic 250 up to 180. So it is also not. A is not answer. B is not answer. C is not answer. Okay. Cretaceous 200. Cretaceous 135. Jurassic 180 up to 135. Triassic 250 up to 180. So the question, which of the following sequence shows the correct order of Mesozoic periods, oldest to youngest? Says. Oh, this says oldest to youngest. So the answer is A. Have you seen? A is the correct answer. Here D is not. Let me correct it. Okay. D is not answer. C is not answer. B is not answer. But A is answer. A is answer. Why? Because TGC order TJC is older to younger. Whereas CJT is younger to older. As a result, the correct answer is this one. Okay, the correct answer is A. A is the correct answer. Let me revise again. In order to understand this sequence, Triassic period is the oldest, Jurassic is the second oldest, and the Cretaceous is the recent one. This is oldest to youngest order. Whereas youngest to oldest order, here Cretaceous, Jurassic, and Triassic periods. As a result, the correct answer, as I have said, A is the correct answer. Question number 25. Question number 25 says that, what is the implication of 210 kilometer, the value of A ratio B? A. 1 kilometer borderline is safeguarded by the National Army when 210 kilometer square of the hinterland will become free from the assault of an enemy. B. 1 kilometer borderline is vulnerable to enemies as 210 kilometer square is safeguarded. C. The total hinterland will becomes occupied by the assault of enemy. D. No answer. So, as 210 kilometer comes on our calculation, this implication or this answer implies that 1 kilometer borderline is safeguarded. If 1 kilometer borderline is safeguarded by the National Army, 210 kilometer square of hinterland will be come free from any casualty of enemies. So the answer is A. Question number 25. What will be the advantage of Ethiopia owing to her compact shape? A. Militaristic advantage. B. Having outlet to the sea advantage. C. Having single and homogeneous ethnic group. D. Overhanging of ethno-lingual diversity. So, when Ethiopia has a compact shape, she is advantageous in having militaristic advantage, as we have observed from the previous question. Question number 26. Which of the following African country is the second largest in size next to Sudan? A. Djibouti. B. Somalia. C. Ethiopia. D. Kenya. Ethiopia is the second largest country in Africa next to Sudan, with having 1,106,000 kilometers square. So the answer is A. Question number 27. Which of the following African country is not categorized to the Horn of Africa? A. Sudan. B. Somalia. C. Djibouti. D. Eritrea. Try once, student. I will give you a chance. Good. I hope you have got the answer. You have got answer. The answer is Sudan. Sudan is not categorized under Horn of Africa. Okay. The Horn of African countries are Ethiopia, Somalia, Djibouti, and Eritrea. Okay. So this means Ethiopia, Somalia, Djibouti, and Eritrea. Well, question number 27. Which of the following point indicates the southernmost tip of Ethiopia? Southernmost tip. A. Moyale Borana. B. Akobo Gambella. C. Ogaden. D. Tigray. Moyale Borana is the southernmost tip of Ethiopia. So the answer is A. Question number 29. Ethiopia is absolutely found between A. 3 to 33 degree north and 50 degree up to 48 degree east. B. Between 15 degree up to 33 degree north and 3 degree up to 48 degree east. C. Between 3 degree up to 15 degree north and 33 degree up to 48 degree east latitude. D. Between 3 degree up to 15 degree north and 33 degree up to 15 degree east latitude. So the correct answer that Ethiopia is absolutely found between is between 3 degree up to 15 degree north and 33 up to 48 degree east. So the answer is C. The last question of today's lesson. Of the following geographer who decided geography as a synthesizing discipline to connect the general with the particular through measurement mapping and regional emphasis? A. Eratosthenes. B. Alexander van Humboldt. C. Eleni Churchill. D. Yeats. Students, may I give you a chance to try for this question? This is a virtual assignment for the coming lesson or for the coming days, try the correct answer for this one. Goodbye, students. Goodbye. Don't forget, share, like, subscribe. Goodbye, students. Goodbye.